Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to install marktext. So marktext is a simple and elegant markdown editor which focuses on speed and usability, which is cross-platform compatible. They have many features like you can do a table block, you can draw sequence diagrams. It also supports inline formats, math formulas, and most importantly, code blocks. And they have various themes like cadmium light, graphite light, dark, and material dark, which is my personal favorite, and one dark. And you can also follow them on GitHub, and it's completely open source. So we are gonna click on Windows because I'm using Windows. Save the executable file and open it once done. Open the file and feel free to close your web browser. You can choose a required input. Select your destination folder and click on install. And click on finish. So that's it guys, we have successfully installed marktext.